Hello guys, this is Cindy from Bluesun Solar. Welcome to our factory. Here is our new product, 30 kW all-in-one outdoor cabinet. This is our battery modules, and there are 10 battery modules and 1 BMS control unit. This is our fire protection system equipped in our cabinet, very safe. Here is EMS system, energy management system. Control all the system, makes the system work perfectly. This is our AC system. Here is for 30 kW inverter. When you receive, easy to install. 30 kW all-in-one cabinet is very suitable for commercial buildings, factory, and farm. Otherwise, they can be connected in parallel to handle a big load. Good quality, good price. Choose Bluesun, choose the best. If you need, call me now.